Welcome back to the Order Flow Edge channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add the VWAP to your chart. Be sure to stick around to the end because I'm also going to be showing you how you can overlay any study onto any chart. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into it. In the last video, we went ahead and set up a 5-minute full session chart. So we'll come into analysis, studies. Now you can use Sierra Chart's built-in volume weighted average price. We'll add that, and I'll go ahead and bring up the settings, and then you can see it's defaulted to days, and then it has the standard deviations at 0.5, 1, 1.5, and 2. You can adjust those right there if you wanted to. And then coming into the subgraphs, by default, it will have the VWAP and the 0.5s on the chart, and then all the rest of them will be set to ignore. So if you want to see them on your chart, we'll go ahead and just apply. And there we have the full session VWAP. And then if you wanted like the ones, you would need to come in here and change the ignore to a draw style, click apply, and there we have the 0.5 and the 1 on there. We're going to go ahead and just hide this study. I don't like to use this VWAP. The one I like to use is if you go ahead and hit add custom study and then come into here and expand the section that says user contributed studies. This also comes with Sierra Chart. These are free studies from other users. And then come down to the ECI VWAP 1.5 and add that to the chart. And then we'll bring up the settings here. And it's already defaulted to a daily one as well. And it also has the standard deviations by 0.5. By default, this one has the 0.5 one set to ignore, and then it also draws like this. Now, this is the one that I prefer. I like to have the one standard deviation to where it highlights out in blue, and then the 1.5 is a like dotted line, and then a solid 2 with a solid VWAP in the middle. So I personally like to use this one. It just comes already defaulted really nice. Now, to have this the chart like this, you want to make sure in the chart settings in the session times so that your VWAP is anchoring to the right time. You want to come into here and change the session times, start time to 1800 and end time to 16:59:59. That'll give you the full ETH Globex session, and then you would click apply and OK, and that'll make it to where the VWAP will anchor to the 1800. If you don't do that, your VWAP is going to anchor to whatever the default is, which would probably be at like 1600 or 1615, just depending on how you have it set up in your global settings. And that's not where you want your VWAP anchoring to. You want it to anchor at the same place as everybody else's at the Globex open. So what we are going to do is we're going to go ahead and duplicate this chart, and then we'll change the name of it, because we're going to make this one our RTH only chart. Click OK. And then we'll come back into here to the chart settings. And then because we want this to be an RTH only, we're going to set it for the RTH hours. The RTH open is at 9:30. And then the close is at 1600. So we'll go to 15:59:59. Make sure use evening session is set to no. And then we'll click apply all and OK. Now you can see now we have our VWAP starting at 9:30 and ending at 1600. So it is a RTH only chart, and it only shows the RTH session with the RTH VWAP on there. Now we should already have the Sierra chart one on here. So we'll go ahead and come in here, and we're going to use this one. So we'll set this to red, and then we're going to go ahead and name this RTH VWAP. And then we want the name label because we're going to copy this to another chart. So we'll check name label. Horizontal line is on the right edge and centered. And then we don't need these 0.5s. So we will set these to ignore and ignore again. And then apply. And then we do want to unhide this. So we'll click apply. Oh, I forgot we do have these one on here too. Give me just a second. Set those to ignore. Okay. Now for overlaying it, we'll come back to the full session chart. Now if we wanted to overlay just the RTH VWAP, we'd come in here and come to the studies that come with Sierra chart, and we're going to come down to the one that says study/price overlay. Add that to the chart where you want the study to show. Come into the settings, and then in the settings and input, the very first setting is where we're going to select what we want. So we'll go ahead and come down here and select chart number 2, and then we'll select the study we want. We just want the VWAP, the RTH VWAP from the other chart, so we'll select that. We want it to be under our candlestick, so we'll select that. Then also right here where it says chart region, if it says something other than 1, go ahead and change that to 1, and then we'll click apply. Okay. And then you can see there we have the RTH VWAP starting at 9:30. It's got its little label right there that it is the VWAP. The label will move as the VWAP itself moves. And then if we come back to previous days here, you can see again it's starting at 9:30. Now if you wanted it to be a different draw style, you would change that from the source chart itself. So we'll come into here and we will change this to just a solid line. Click apply. Okay. And then it will change on this chart as well. Now you can see that looks much cleaner. So now we know that the red line is our RTH VWAP, and then we have our full session VWAP with the purple and then the blue outlines. Now on this chart, if you wanted to make your RTH or even your full session VWAP a different color, with the ECI VWAP, it's very simple. You could come in here and change everything individually through the different subgraphs and just change the colors. But this one has a really nice setting where it says set all colors. It's defaulted to no, and you can change this to yes. And then the color right here is going to be the one for the set all colors. It's defaulted to the blue that's on there already. But let's say we wanted it to be a nice light red, and click apply and okay. Now you can see we have our RTH VWAP and we have our ETH VWAP in blue over here. If you stuck around to the end of the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos, what kind of tutorials you guys want to see, and I'll be sure to make them. Thanks. I'm out for now. Have a great day.